background. There's my reduction. Look how good that is. Creamy. Balsamic's burning my nose though. Alright, now we're going to leave it the way it is. We're going to put this, that, and the other thing over here. Wow. I just licked my fingers. All my life I watch these chefs, cooks, whoever. I learned from the best of the best, and I don't understand why I keep churning out this. Actually, let's use this one. That is balsamic reduction. It is amazing. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit of mushroom batter just to thicken it up. This was amazing. I just tasted it. Just thicken. It was glaze. Now it is what? A reduction. It's a paste. I bought Korean black bean paste, and guess what? This tastes 1,000 times better. All right. I got nothing. Wanted to taste it. I have nothing to taste it with. All right. This is how we roll. Look at that. That is amazing. Thank you, Corel, for these beautiful spatulas. You notice how that came right off? That's the butter. Hello, butter. We love butter. Humans have had butter in their lives for thousands of years. They would spend hours making butter. And I just finished making chicken Savoy for 6 minutes. First person in the history of the planet that made chicken Savoy in 6 minutes. And I did not use a whole chicken. Give it a taste. Sorry, Stretch. I met the guy once or twice. That is amazing. Look at it. Ready? That is ambrosia. This is why gods come to the planet. We do stuff here that no one has ever done in the history of the cosmos. Thank you, Stretch. This is what you helped me make. I love you.